Hello. 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 How are you? Sick. So, I got lots of stuff. Got lots of stuff to unbox. Got a lot going on. I haven't made a video, uploaded anything, edited anything, touched anything in a really long time. So, I'm back, and I'm gonna try to come back strong. So, for this holiday week of holiday, I'm gonna try to upload a lot. I don't know how much, but a lot. So hopefully expect a lot of videos once this goes up. But this is gonna start it all off. So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, whatever holidays. I hope they're happy. Woo. Yeah, whatever. Don't care. We're into the more important stuff now. So here is a bag from Inbloom clothing. This is a Halloween drop. Inbloom, you probably haven't heard of them because you're dumb. But you should know who Inbloom is because I swear to God they're gonna take over because this shit, all of their graphics are ridiculous. So, you know, shouts out to the homie for hooking it up with these. But, yeah, here we are. Here we are, Inbloom clothing, Halloween. And here's the graphic for this hoe, which is absolutely beautiful, printed on there fantastically. Feels great. All of the clothes feels great. All of the stuff that I've gotten from them feels fantastic. Amazing quality. Never had any problems. Good dids. Hell yeah. But here's a closer look at the graphic for you. You got the bloody hand drips with the knife and the Michael Myers face in the middle of the hand. And then you got the nice Inbloom logo in the center of the eye. Because, you know, we don't play. And that's the most important part. But yeah, so, Inbloom clothing. Don't forget it, because it's going to keep popping up. You're going to see it more and more, I promise you. It's going to be everywhere in, like, a year. So, you might as well get with it now. Links will be in the description for Inbloom. And, yeah. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Let's get ready for this slew of shit posting that I'm about to embark on. Oh, yeah. See you later, dude.
Life hurts like canker sores.